Last week, as the nation watched the horrific scenes of destruction and flooding in Texas from Hurricane Harvey, it didn't appear that dairy folks had taken a direct hit. We checked with our friends at ST Genetics at Navasota, Texas, not far from College Station, and were relieved to hear that their staff, livestock, and facilities had been spared significant damage. We can only hope that the Florida dairy industry will fare as well this coming week as Hurricane Irma makes landfall. That may not be the case, we know, depending on what course the storm takes. Dairyman Don Bennick told me we're battening down the hatches, speaking from his North Florida Holsteins operation. He reported checking on his generators and their fuel supplies, preparing for power outages, and lining up some tanker capacity in case milk can't be hauled off the dairy. He said while he's not in a flood-prone area, he recalled the hurricanes of 2004, Francis and Jeannie, when rainfall totaled over 40 inches in a period of days, cutting off the dairy in most every direction. He's working with his employees to safeguard them and their families, along with his herd. He also has 10 international student trainees, most of whom have not experienced storms like this. It's wait and see until sometime Monday morning, he said. Meanwhile, farther south towards Miami, Dairy Extension Agent Colleen Larson was just coming from a county emergency planning meeting when she spoke with us. She said northbound traffic is very heavy and many gas stations are running out of fuel. While her town of Okeechobee is not being evacuated, it's the transient traffic that makes it hard for the locals to prepare. She's also the wife of a dairy farm manager, and she said a priority is working with dairy employees and their families, along with checking generators and securing adequate fuel. She also recounted the storms of 2004 that kept some without power for more than 2 weeks. We join all those with friends and family in Florida, hoping somehow Irma won't be as devastating as it looks. And that's This Week in Dairy. I'm Joel Hastings with Dairy Business and Holstein World.